Hello everyone. Welcome to Addiction Awareness and Recovery Masterclass. I am Dr. Khalil and I will be your instructor throughout this course. First, let me ask you a question. What comes to your mind when you hear the word addiction? Is it alcohol, drugs, smoking, or something who has lost control over life? Many people think addiction happens only to bad people. That is completely wrong. Addiction can affect anyone, a brilliant student, a doctor, an engineer, a businessman, and someone in a happy family. This course is not to blame people. It is about understanding the science behind addiction and learning how to protect ourselves and others. By the end of this course, you will understand why addiction develops, how our brain changes, and how to recognize warning signs, and how recovery is possible, how to build a healthy and meaningful life. Let's begin the journey together. What is addiction? Let's start with a simple definition. Addiction is a chronic condition in which a person continues using substances or repeating a behavior despite knowing that it causes harm. Think about driving a car. Normally, your brain acts like a good driver. It controls your decisions. It tells you when to stop. When addiction develops, it's as if someone else grabs the steering wheel. The brain begins to crave the substances even when the person wants to stop. They struggle a lot. Addiction affects our brain, our body, our relationship, our education, our career, our financial life, and our mental health. It's much more than simply taking drugs. Today's activity, my reflection there. Write your answer. What does addiction means to me? Let's discuss about three different words and the difference. Substance use versus abuse versus addiction. Many people confuse these three terms. Let's make them simple. So what is substance use? Using a medicine exactly as prescribed. Occasional alcohol without harm when legal and appropriate dose. There is control, that is substance use. Next is substance misuse, using more than recommended, using someone else's medicine, using drugs to escape stress. Problems begins there. Third one is addiction. Now there is loss of control. The person cannot stop. Life begins to revolve around obtaining and using the substances. The addiction controls the person. Today's activity completes this table. One situation, how it is used, misuse, and addiction. For example, I am using mobile phone. That is the situation. Use, I can learn a lot of things. I can use ChatGPT in order to prepare many courses. Misuse, I am using this phone while driving, and also I am using the phones while doing some activities. Addiction, I am using phone always. Even I am missing my sleep. I am missing my day-to-day activities. Full time phone. This is addiction. Let's clear some myths and what is the actual reality regarding this. Let's play a game. I will say a statement. you decide. Okay? First statement is only weak people become addicted. Is it a real thing? Say. What is the reality? Anyone can become addicted. People can stop whenever they want. The reality, recovery often requires treatment and support. Next myth, alcohol is safer than other drugs. Reality, alcohol itself is a powerful addictive drug. Okay? Myth, just one time, won't hurt. Reality, one experiment can become a habit. Today's activity, write down 5 myths you have heard about addictions. Let's discuss why addiction is a brain disease. Why can't addicted people simply stop? Because addiction changes the brain. Repeated drug use overstimulates the brain's reward system, causing large dopamine release. Over time, the brain becomes less responsive to normal pleasures and increasingly driven to seek the addictive substance or behavior, making self-control much harder. These changes help explain why addiction is considered a chronic brain disorder rather than simply a lack of willpower. Recovery is possible because the brain can adapt and heal, and it usually takes time, treatment, healthy habits, and ongoing support. There are some assignments for Module 1. 1. Write your personal definition of addiction. 2. List 5 myths and corresponding facts. 3. Identify 3 healthy habits and protect against addiction. 4. Reflect on one lesson that changed your perspective. In this module, by the end of this module, learners will understand what addiction is, distinguish it from misuse, recognize common misconceptions, and appreciate that addiction is a treatable medical condition that affects the brain and behavior rather than a moral failing.